What if I told you that you could make money in the Forex and crypto markets without analyzing a single chart, writing a single strategy, or spending hours glued to a screen? Hey traders, it's Alpha One from Auto Profit Traders, and today I'm going to show you one of the easiest, smartest, and most powerful ways to build wealth in 2025 PU Prime copy trading. And here's the best part. Only with my link below, you'll get up to 2 times your first deposit when you join. That means if you deposit $250, you could start trading with $500 right away. So don't miss out. This offer is limited and available only through the link below. If you're new to trading, here's the magic of copy trading. It lets you automatically copy the trades of successful traders in real time. So, these traders, they're called signal providers, actually share their trades publicly. When they open a trade, your account, well, it opens the exact same trade. And when they close it, you close it too. Pretty straightforward, right? There's really no experience needed. No technical analysis. No guessing at all. You're simply leveraging the knowledge and skill of traders who have already mastered the markets. And, honestly, you profit when they profit. Now you might ask, why PU Prime and not any other broker? Well, here's why this platform stands out from the rest. So, here's the cool part. It's totally beginner-friendly. You just set your risk level, allocate your funds, and the system takes care of the rest. It's like 100% automated. And, yeah, there's full transparency. You can actually see every trader's performance history, their win rate, risk level, and all their past returns before you even start copying them. Plus, there's fair profit sharing. PU Prime uses a high watermark system, which means you only share profits when the trader is consistently making you money. Oh, and don't forget about the massive choice you get. You can choose from thousands of signal providers, all based on your own goals, risk appetite, and preferred strategies. This is not gambling. This is data-driven automated investing. And it's changing the way people trade in 2025. Let me show you what's possible. PU Prime's leaderboard includes traders with over 94% win rates, over 16,000% returns in 3 months, and thousands of copiers earning passive income every day. Some strategies focus on low risk and steady growth, while others go for aggressive, high-profit returns. You decide which ones you want to follow, and you can start or stop copying anytime. Alright, here's a quick pro tip for you. Try copying about 4 to 6 traders to help diversify your risk. Then, every 7 to 10 days, take a little time to review how they're performing. If you notice anyone underperforming, just remove them and swap in some top performers. Honestly, this simple habit can totally turn copy trading into a long-term passive income machine. You know, here's something most people don't realize. With PU Prime, you can actually make money in 2 different ways. First, as a copier, just copy successful traders and profit from their expertise. And second, as a signal provider, if you're already an experienced trader, you can share your trades and earn up to 50% profit share when other people copy you. Pretty cool, right? So, whether you're brand new to all this or already pretty skilled, there's honestly an opportunity to build income streams here. 1 passive, 1 active. It's really all about finding what works best for you. Right now, thousands of traders are building passive income on PU Prime. Many of them started with small accounts, and now, honestly, they earn hundreds, even thousands, every single month. The earlier you start, the faster your results compound. And with the market heating up, there's never been a better time to get involved. Every day you wait is a day you could have been growing your money on autopilot. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start earning, this is your moment. Sign up for PU Prime with the link below and get up to 2 times on your first deposit. Copy top traders, build your passive income, and let your money work for you. 24/7. This is how you build financial freedom in 2025. Not by trading harder, but by trading smarter. Start your copy trading journey today. Link below.